Hey everyone, OnePlus Watch 3 marks a significant upgrade over its predecessor, bringing improved health tracking, a larger and brighter display, and enhanced durability. OnePlus has refined both the hardware and software, making it a compelling option for smartwatch users looking for a balance of style, functionality, and advanced health features. One of most noticeable changes in OnePlus Watch 3 is its design. The watch features a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display, which is not only larger than before, but also significantly brighter, reaching peak brightness of 2,200 nits. This improvement ensures excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The display is protected by sapphire glass, making it highly resistant to scratches. The stainless steel body combined with titanium alloy bezel adds to the watch's durability while maintaining premium and modern aesthetic. The inclusion of a rotating crown makes navigation more intuitive. Fluoro rubber strap enhances comfort and durability, and users can choose between two stylish color options: emerald titanium and obsidian titanium. Health tracking is a major focus of OnePlus Watch 3. The smartwatch is equipped with a 16-channel blood oxygen sensor, an 8-channel heart rate sensor, and a wrist temperature sensor. One of its most innovative features is the vascular health test, which measures arterial stiffness, providing users with insights into their cardiovascular condition. Additionally, the watch includes EKG capabilities, though this feature is dependent on regulatory approval and will not be available in the United States or Canada at launch. A key addition is the 60-second health check-in function, which provides a quick assessment of multiple health parameters, including vascular health, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, wrist temperature, and sleep quality. This makes it easier for users to monitor their well-being at a glance. The watch also excels in fitness tracking, offering over 100 sports modes, including 11 professional workout modes. The built-in GPS system has been improved with a circular polarized antenna, ensuring more accurate tracking, especially in urban environments where GPS signals can be obstructed. The OnePlus Watch 3 represents a well-rounded upgrade, combining a sophisticated design with robust health monitoring and fitness tracking capabilities. The brighter display, premium materials, and advanced health features make it a strong contender in the smartwatch market. While absence of EKG functionality in some regions may be drawback, the overall package delivers a solid experience for those looking for a stylish yet highly functional smartwatch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.